Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing these lashes right here, but let's go and get right into this. So they are by this brand right here. It does come with the tweezers. The only thing you're going to have to get is lash glue. You can get that off Amazon. They have a lot of different options. Some of the options do have the glue and the seal, which the bond is the glue. So like on this one, this is the one that I've used. This is pretty much the glue, and then the seal is only if your like lashes are sticky. I didn't even apply this today. I usually don't have to, but if you do find that your lashes are like sticking to the bottom ones, you can apply that, but it's not a must-have because sometimes I have people ask me why I didn't apply it because I don't always need it. But let me go ahead and show you how I got these stunning lashes. So this has 144 lashes. And they are in like a black color right there. And I'm going to show you how I apply them. Super easy. I usually start from the outside and work my way in. There are some people that will start their way from the inner corner and work their way out. It just depends on preference. Okay, so step one, you want to get your bond, and then you're going to apply it at the bottom of your lashes because you are going to be gluing these underneath the lashes. And usually the way I apply them, they last up to 2 weeks. So I'm just going to go dab it right underneath here, all the way around. And then these are the tweezers that it came with. So I'm going to start out with the 16, and I'm going to do one of these. And to grab them, I like to grab them from underneath, and then you pull upwards, and they come out with no issues. So that's what it's going to look like. And so I'm going to go in with a 14 now. And the same thing, just go underneath. And just pop it on like that. So I did 14, now I'm going to do a 12. Again, you're just going to pull them up, go underneath, and then just flop it on like that. So it's got 16, 14, 12. I think the next one was a 10, and I don't think I'm ready for a 10 yet, so I'm going to do one more 12. And now I'm going to do 110. And for this one, because I don't have a lot of glue right here, or if you're stacking them, you just want to go and put a little bit of glue on the other side like that. And we're just going to place it on. I'm going to try to show you a little closer, like what I'm doing. So I just look down. And that's it. And you can see the difference, like before and after. It makes such a big difference. And then I like to go through, and I'm going to pinch them once you have them where you want them. And this is really going to seal them onto your natural lashes to where you get the longest wear out of them. It's kind of infusing everything together. And just to show you, this is what they look like on. Got a little bit of glue right there. You just like kind of scrape that off. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. Let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. And this is what it looks like completed. These lashes are so stinking pretty. I mean, you've seen them before. Now you see the after. This is why I love these lash clusters. I can wear them for 2 weeks without having to unapply them. How would you say that? Not unapply them and then reapply them. It's just so pretty. I love them so much. They are stunning. And this is what it looks like with both on. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.